National Health Mission NHM Assam along Bangsurihini Sose Achokomar Tumpen ajak dinklui regularization aphan kechak kachipapleng ji bainong kilong le kadure lapen bainong kilong kithir thip mate ninga chethe klong kidoja phanpura Assam State angkangpi district along tin sit in protest phaikuni achikloni phai ke thompen pho kachisong ponje phanarni hot pontangro West Karbi Anglong NHM claim bangphu bangphi bangpharu Societum Hamran District Hospital atheng nolong phaikuni ni phai clear ni chingrum si ningki duk ningki oi chipak langpen sorkar ke chariatum ke langki pangkhri pen puthot ke claim pida prangja phan hangtiram padu labangsu ke hangtiram nang ko kathe ke damtang ningkani koi sorkar ke chariatum pen ke chakalam the kachipapleng ka videra jok pusi jongdu Sit in demonstration asai ke deng bom unahut district commissioner aphan ki manganam the puthak jongdun kachisongaran tumpen somser kep ki manga son sarkar phan ki pachini dun ke state angkangpi NHM along borengang hoi ki claim bom atuma phan regularization ki pijia phan pen ke chenglok somser kep ke jongpon lage number 1 NHM achokomar do anaphan Supreme Court pen kangsai verdict number 213 of 2013 ki pia tengsi equal work equal pay pinangji Number 2 enforcement of the Assam Gazette notification 2021 to extend gratuity benefits to NHM staff Number 3 provision of employees provident fund EPF lapen employees pension scheme EPS NPS ke parlopon japhan ke hang Number 4 financial assistance for families of deceased employees either through full salary till the deceased retirement age or employment for a family member. Number 5. Uniform leave policy including 2 years of childcare leave similar to that enjoyed by regular government employees. Number 6. Comprehensive medical coverage under the MML SAY scheme and continued reimbursement benefits until inclusion. Number 7. Special recruitment drives to regularize long-serving NHM employees within the State Health Department. Number 8. Policy reforms to provide age relaxation and recruitment priority for NHM workers in future health sector appointments. Number 9. Formulation of a specific policy to prioritize NHM workers in the state's health sector recruitment process, including age exemption and additional marks in written and oral examinations Hey hui pinpura lualong tokpen ke hang pedu. NHM Achokomar tumpen thedum ki claim ka chipaduk jasimet COVID-19 avur ki thurahut se ke lang chipaduk ke hisapun ipin pran chethongrun anpin lo. NHM employees union atumaki songpen ke jongje phan akimang son an sarkar pen ki thir thip kachingwai sai ke denga vitti ke kachisong dam bomji lapen asamangkang pialong contractual health workers tumaphan ahoka kang saikilong vegje phansi chesong nang kokloputa lamthi jaipon
ason ke thelo atheke ilitum ladak pini kachingrum nang ke kisung tektik atheke laan arni pen don ningkan ingkoi apatlo laso department along laso mission along national health mission along di boreng asai ke claim edi antame laso non aningkan antame non anta ilitum sartum mate CM pendanglok alang itu CM pendanglok kamatha bang pajang tangason lasi lason bang chokchelo ilitum ta esomardo ilitum ta hem kelang hem sarbura mate epoi paido lasi alang tum phanda ilitum langnai lasi laan vet chote matha jare chokchelo ilitum phanda 7 pay commission ha chu nalitum kecak elo sida non an tame nalitum lakai pachun thekthela lasi lason bang koson bo lason lok ei tume kroide thekthelo lasi ilitume kecak re lo lasi ilitum ladak piniarni ladak laso ahong jai lo ilitum ladak chetong pon lo lasi laso ahong jai lo laso jai megma ilitum non nini nithom ladak dover po age ilitum la data management ha data reporting ha ilitum lasi la melo ilitum son sirke ilitum kemanga sondo lasi halaso son sirkep kemanga sondo si ilitum chun pi thekte pulotante ilitume lason thotsi ajai mek padu pon bombo angela son thotsi ilitum ba chingru pon bombo
Hamren pen Daniel hi Karbi Anglong life